Hi, I'm Greg Stratus. Here at Shea Concrete, we're proud of the products we manufacture. Our quality production process is the key to our success. If after this video you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Since 1949, Shea has been producing quality products, and we take pride in our products and the manufacturing process. Understanding each part of our production process is an important step that all workers take, so we can continue to manufacture products that continue to set the standard in the precast concrete industry. Before we break down details of the production process, it's crucial to remember that asking questions is encouraged here at Shea Concrete. If you're ever in doubt of any procedure or policy, always ask your foreman to explain it in greater detail. The production process begins early each workday when finished products are removed from their forms. Prepare each form as needed so you're sure the product can be properly stripped. Hook the crane to the product and remember to inspect the connection to make sure it's correct. Care should be taken when lifting green product. Slings need to be positioned to prevent damaging the product, and spreader bars should be used when they're necessary. When lifting, step back to allow crane to remove product from the form. Inspect the product. Check for cracks, honeycomb, or irregularities. Anything that stands out should be brought to the attention of the quality control supervisor. Once the form has been inspected, it's time to clean it so it's ready for reuse. Use compressed air, scrapers, steel wool, and brooms to remove any excess product left behind. Be sure to completely clean the form inside and out. And never use a hammer when removing leftover product from the form. This will warp and damage the form. Once the form is clean, spray the form with a light coat of oil. Too much oil causes the product to have an inferior finish, which will affect the quality of our product. The amount of oil needed is specific to each form. Newer forms require less oil, for example. Be aware of the proper amount of oil that each form requires and apply oil appropriately. A light mist of oil is usually all that is necessary. If too much oil is added, it will pool and will need to be removed before you can continue production. Rebar should always be added to a form after the form is oiled to prevent oil from getting on rebar. This maintains the best bond possible between the concrete and the rebar. Rebar or wire is shaped differently for each product and added in specific ways to each form. Refer to the reinforcement drawing for exact rebar placement. You should know the shape needed for each product and use the bending and cutting machines to create that shape. Make sure that rebar is spaced correctly for each form and the appropriate spacers are added to maintain proper coverage. Coverage refers to the proper spacing between the rebar and the form. Proper concrete coverage around the rebar is one important step that ensures that we manufacture a quality product. Check and make sure that the inserts and openings are correctly located and the form is ready for pouring. It's your responsibility to meet all specifications. Remember, the quality of your work is your responsibility and not the responsibility of others. Now inspect the form. If you observe any irregularities, this is the time that they should be corrected and fixed. Close the form in preparation for concrete to be poured and make sure that all latches are correctly and securely closed. Pour the concrete into the form and vibrate if necessary. Sometimes vibration is necessary to produce a quality product. Certain products always require vibrating, but sometimes an operator needs to determine if vibration is needed for products that do not generally need vibration. When a mix is too stiff and does not consolidate on its own, you should use a vibrator for compaction. If you're unsure about the mix that was poured, or you have questions about the need to vibrate, ask your foreman for assistance. After pouring, trowel the product and apply any finishes the product requires. Quality is vital at Shea Concrete, and a quality production process is key to our continued success. Understanding each step in the production process and performing them properly will allow us to continue to deliver the high-quality products that our customers expect and allow us to maintain the high standards that make us leaders in the precast industry.